Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, I will show you how to replace the detergent lid in a Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a small flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new detergent lid and a spring. The spring-loaded detergent lid is installed on a detergent dispenser. It operates by the wax motor and open on a command from the main control board dispensing the detergent. The main reason why the detergent lid would need to be replaced is if it's broken and won't get closed or stay on. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove this dispenser door, we need to slide it down so we can see this 4 hinges on the door meet with these 4 grooves. And we're going to use the flat blade screwdriver and we're going to pry out one side and then the second side. Pry off the detergent lid. There's a spring in the back. We don't need it because we're going to use a new spring which comes with the door. This is the old detergent lid next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So this is a new door. It goes in this way. Turn it over and the spring goes in. We have a shorter hook here. It will be inserted into this opening. And make sure it goes in all the way, like that. And I'm going to turn it over, and this the longer end goes into this opening. We're going to match these hinges with these cutouts. Press it down. And locks, and I'm going to push this release button, and it opens. And now we're going to close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.